Hi, can you give me a few minutes of your time by watching this video to the end? And I promise to make it worth a while. Thank you. Are you a business owner, solopreneur, or network marketer in Africa with big goals, inspiring dreams, and a lot of ambition? You've probably realized that building a successful business isn't as easy as you'd like it to be. Do you find it challenging to drive traffic to your business? Do you struggle to make sales and get new customers? Do you want to build a large audience but don't know how? Are you lost and confused when it comes to traffic and marketing? Are people ignoring your messages? Does all of today's fancy marketing technology make your brain hot? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then I can help you. Danema.net is a community where business owners, solopreneurs, and network marketers learn how to drive traffic and increase sales. I've been where you are. I understand your frustrations. I know where you're stuck. And I know exactly how to help you move forward in your marketing. I see Africa as one of the most important emerging markets, and I want to play a part in assisting Africa to thrive. So, for the first time, I want to reveal how I have achieved some fantastic results in the last 4 years. And the best part is, I'm teaching it for free. Yes, you heard that right, it's free. I'm launching a giveaway where 100 winners will get 12-month access to my Business Growth Club and Authority Marketing Online course. These two packages are conservatively worth $2,364, but you get it for free. If you factor in the fact that I charge $300 for my group coaching for 1 day, if you attended once a month, in 12 months, that will be $3,600. And I've not added the cost of the Authority Marketing course to it. So you see that I was conservative with the value, especially when you be a member of the club every day for the next 12 months. Here are some of what you will discover in the Authority Marketing Online course. How to position yourself as a top leader in any market. How to ethically and confidently market your product. How to attract buyers and clients without the hard sell. How to gain instant credibility. And here are some of the things you will discover in the Business Growth Club. How to cut out the fluff and focus on the crucial things needed for business growth. How to drive cheap traffic to your business, not just any traffic, but viral traffic. How to convert cold leads into hot leads very quickly and get them to want to buy your product or services. The strategies I use to drive traffic and increase sales in my business. The marketing tools I use to grow my business. No more guesswork. If you need a developer, graphic designer, or video editor, I recommend one to you. I'll hold you by the hand and ensure you succeed. I'll show you how to start and quickly grow the most crucial marketing asset in the world, your email list. I'll show you how to automate your online business such that you are driving traffic, marketing to this traffic, and closing the sale without lifting a finger. I'll show you how to turn your customers into evangelists of your products and services. This works even for network marketers. Are you beginning to see the value of this giveaway? I'm willing to give all these away to 100 business owners and network marketers who are hungry for success. Here are some of the benefits of being a member of the Business Growth Club. Group digital marketing mentorship by me. Brainstorm with like-minded members. Build social capital and joint venture partnerships. Collaborate and get support from members when launching a contest, campaign, or product. You'll be part of an exclusive and premium membership. Only people who have taken my online courses will ever be members. That's why I'm giving you the Authority Marketing course, so you can qualify to be a member. What's in it for me, you may ask? I must make this clear so I'm sure that we're on the same page. Yes, I want to teach you and help your business thrive, but I don't want to do it for free. Experience has shown me that most people don't value the knowledge they get for free. If you don't execute what I teach, then I've wasted my time. So, you are not paying money to get access to my giveaway, but you will pay by sharing the giveaway contest. It has to cost you something. That way, I'm sure you are not a tire kicker, but someone who is hungry for success and will execute if taught. If that's you, then click the link below this video to join the contest and win a chance to work with me. I look forward to working with you and creating a success story together. Thank you.